Hello lovers of boutique fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, I'm going to be showing you this new canvas head I got to help me with my wigging and my glueless customization. So here's the size 21, and up next we have the size 22. So they come in 3 different sizes, basically the small, medium and large. So here's a medium size, which is the 22. And here is our last size, which is a 23, our large, which is a 23. So guys, you're going to be wondering what's so special about this new canvas head. Stay tuned, I'm going to get into that details. So this is a canvas head I use, and unfortunately when getting this canvas head I didn't know a lot about canvas head and wigging and all of that. So as you can see, the front and the back, you can't really differentiate. I tried my best to do the measurements, but it still won't give that glueless I was looking for, that glueless with customization I was looking for. So based on the recommendations of my very good friend, I decided to get this polymer canvas head. So I'm not saying that the previous type isn't good, I'm just saying I didn't get the correct one. But since I saw this once, like, look at this, is so perfect and so detailed. And you can see there's a clear difference between the front and the back. It has demarcations where your wig is supposed to, where your wig cap is supposed to lie. It has markings to help you with your wigging and all of that. Like, this is just so perfect. So here is a side by side, the size 23 and it's 21, for you to perfectly see how very easy it is to differentiate the front from the back of your canvas head. Guys, these little details matter a lot if you want a perfect glueless wig customized to your client's head size. So my recommendation, or advice, you get a canvas head that has a clear view of the front and the back, like you can easily distinguish the front from the back. Or you could go for the polymer canvas head. Thanks for watching. Bye.